some of my random grabs the last little while. Just got this one today. Kind of like it. It will fit my taxi collection, which is down there. So Greenlight puts out some pretty good taxis, I must say. I've been a fan of their, well, not just their taxis, but their castings in general are pretty cool. So I'm going to add this one to the collection, and comes with a little guy in there too. Oh, there he is, the little guy. Is that gonna, doesn't really zoom in for some reason. Okay, let's put that little guy back here. And the taxi. Will that little guy work now? Ah, there we go. That's a little better. There he is. We'll put him out. And take the cab out. Once again, I've always liked these. They're good quality. Very good quality. Nice looking vehicle. Got the plate. Yep, that will be added to my taxi collection momentarily. What else have I got now? I got this cool combi not long ago. I'll probably crack that pretty soon too, actually. It's just that I got no room up there in the Volkswagen area. And the same with my dairy deliveries. I'm a little heavy on those. Some of these are just, you know, run-of-the-mill stuff. This I will add to my police collection up there. That, and this is not really anything exciting. I know people like this. I've been able to find one on a short card as well. So once again, I'm going to crack most of these. Another random grab. These ones I grabbed a while ago. Remember these, the connectables? I should probably open them because the cards are completely shot, as you can see. Not sure what year this came out, but I'm thinking it's still got the price tag on there actually. These were $250 when they first came out. I have that one. Kind of like Transformers, huh? And those connectables as well. What else? I got something in a box here. Oh yeah, okay. Cherokee. It's super fast. I had one of these. It was my worst car I've ever had in my life. Sorry, not a Cherokee, a Wagoneer. Yeah, broke down all the time, and even more in winter. That was great. The Canadian winter, I might add. It wasn't just your run-of-the-mill winter. The good old tuk-tuk. Some of these I just have, my little man get knocked over again. Some of these I just haven't had time to really put anywhere at all. Once again, these are just random grabs from the last little while. Oh, the short card. Short card dairy delivery. Huh. What is this, 2004 or something like that? I already have that on the rack in my dairy delivery section. This one's not open yet. The Tomica Bumblebee. That's a, okay, Bumblebee. 85 HK. Huh. Yep, Okay, grab that. Once again, a lot of these are from my travels, so I'm not sure where this came from. A NASCAR, that's something I should probably do a video on because I got a ton of them. Oh, this is in a absolutely, completely yellowed out container that's broken. Racing Champions, Jimmy Hensley, limited edition, 1 of 5,000. That container is just yellowed beyond recognition. And a couple other cool ones. Star Trek Volkswagen panel bus and the Ghost Rider. I really like that comic book. Ghost Rider panel, Chevy panel. What else do I have it exciting here? The Super Chromes. That one definitely belongs in my little mini container, not container, mini shelf. That tail draggers. I don't have many more of that set that I can recall anyway. And that, I have some more stuff here, but most of it seems to be, oh here, this is what I'll do. This will be easier than lifting it all up. This is the bin I've been grabbing from right here. But as you can see, it's pretty much normal stuff, I believe. But this is all stuff that I gotta get put on a shelf somewhere. It's down here. Oh, interesting. What's this? The 187 Pontiac GTO. That doesn't wanna, there we go. 187 scale. Yeah, that's a very small car, obviously, being 187 scale. And it's not the only one. I have another 187 scale. Purple Passion. And this is one that I picked up. I think I got this one in Spain. And like I said, there's a lot of stuff here, so let's go through, let's see what these boxes are here. Got 3 boxes. Another Purple Passion, 187 scale. Another purple, wow, look at this. I got 3 Purple Passions, all 187 scale. That I did not remember. And one more in a sealed box, which I'll open with one hand here. Oh, okay. Wow. This is a surprise to me, this one, because I have a couple of pizza cars here, and I did not know that Luigi's Pizza was in this here box. I mean, it doesn't say what it is. Well, it does, but it doesn't say it's Luigi's. Ones I'm talking about are those 2 right there, the pizza cars. Yeah, I kind of like them. I'll probably start adding to that pizza collection. And that's pretty much it for now. I got a couple more bins I'm going to go through in the next few days and see what we can muster up in the way of some good gets.